Hi. Honestly, this is giving me like high school vibes when I wouldn't show up to class for like months and then I just... Did you guys miss me? I know you did. I know you did. I know you did. Right? Okay. That's what I thought, fool. You scared me. Oh my god, you really scared me. You had me there. Well, hello everybody. I just woke up. Yes, I sleep in my makeup. Sometimes I forget, okay? But today is the day I make an eyebrow tutorial for you, Kaylee. If your name is not Kaylee, I was pointing behind you. She's over there. She's there. She's... Hello, fool. How are you doing, fool? I missed the fuck out of you, fool. Come back ASAP, okay? Text me. Matter of fact, text me now. I'm gonna telepathically tell you too. I know you got that. Anyway, today is the day I finally do your eyebrow tutorial, my love. I'm so sorry that it took so long. Now that we're here, I guess I have the bone to pick with all the other bitches watching this. So put the phone to the side for like 5 seconds. Well, I don't want you to see this. I'm gonna give you 5 seconds. Okay, now I feel like my bitch is wondering what took me so long to do this video. And I just want everybody to know that I have a bone to pick with every single one of you bitches that I know, okay? Every single one, all right? When I was young and just started doing my eyebrows, I cannot think of a time where females weren't asking me how to do eyebrows. I was flattered. I was like, yo, am I a real makeup artist? Am I a booty guru? That I'm so phenomenal that like they need to know my technique? I forgive none of you for what you've done to me, okay? How dare you have me feeling myself when I look like this, when my eyebrows were this? I was getting questions back then, like, how'd you do that? Your eyebrows look so poppy, your eyebrows are flat. I don't remember signing up for Roblox on my fucking face, okay? And y'all just hyped me up. Y'all gassed the bitch up. Y'all gassed the bitch up. And y'all let me down. I would not have let you walk around looking like that. So fuck every one of you, okay? All right, that's it. Puto ya. It's very traumatic for me. I am very aware of how... You saw it. You roll the clips again. I don't forgive any one of you for that, okay? Y'all are on thin ice with me. Come correct. Anyway, Kaylee's probably back already. Hi, Bill. So, like I said, I just woke up with this on. So I'm gonna go wash my face real quick and brush my teeth. Oh, I look raggedy. Excuse the liquid on my face. I always put some serums on, hyaluronic acid to be specific. I just found out the other day that you're supposed to keep your face wet to activate it. Don't worry, it'll go away. Good morning. My best friend is here. She's over there, you're not gonna see her. Just like that, she was gone. Okay, so while that sets, I guess it's time for a disclaimer. Just like I said before, if my technique doesn't suit you, you don't have to do it, okay? I'm not telling you to do it my way. I'm not telling anybody that this is the only way to do it. I'm just trying to help my friend, my bitch, my boo thing. She my little boo thing. Shawty got the fatty. I just know what helped me. I'm thinking of like when I was a beginner, what would have helped me. So I actually do my makeup so different now. When the whole Instagram craze hit with like the concealer, cut creases, and the fucking, you know, Instagram makeup. Everybody all of a sudden knew how to do makeup. Everybody, you know, everybody does the same thing. And that's fine. That's, if that floats your boat, girl, do what makes you happy. But this helped me my makeup routine is way different now. It's way more flattering for my face because I stopped doing what everybody else is doing. I'm not doing a full face today. Yeah, don't think that I'm shitting on anybody else who doesn't do their eyebrows the way I do mine. Just know this is easy, simple, fast, whatever. Sure-proof way to get decent eyebrows. Obviously, mine are non-existent, okay? Now that we got that out of the way, we're gonna do the powder. Because honestly, I don't have much of an eyebrow pencil. This ain't shit. We'll see what we could work with. But for now, we're gonna do the powder version. Should I put my hair down? I feel like my neck is fucking extra jiggly today. Let me prepare for this better. What are you up to, fool? What are you doing right now as you're watching this video? You're probably cleaning your room, huh? Huh? Yeah, huh? I'll get a text later. You're like, bitch, I was cleaning my room. I miss the fuck out of you, dude. Don't get me wrong, I'm super proud of you. I'm super happy for you, and I'm super fucking proud of you for, you know, doing what you're doing. But a bitch misses. This is her bitch. For anybody wondering who this famous Kaylee is, she's one of my best friends. I have two best friends. One is Amy, who you've met, and the other one is Kaylee, who not even I have met. Isn't that crazy? We met on the Xbox, so you know, gamer girls or whatever. I was playing with this other guy and he was very, start off by, do you have a spoolie, fool? I fucking tell you to spoolie. Brush out your brows. So this guy, he was cool, he was chill. This was like when I just started playing by myself. I tried Apex. Apex is to this day my jam, bro. So yeah, I was playing with this dude for a while and we were vibing. Like he was chill, he was cool. One day, I just was like feeling bold as fuck and I just joined his party. And in this party was this girl, okay? There was this girl who was like, super cute giggle, super cute fucking voice and shit. And immediately I was like intimidated, okay? Cause like, I know sometimes it sounds like a man. And just, I don't have the best experience with other females. That shit was just my automatic trigger response and shit like that. You know, we played like a couple rounds with this girl and then I was like, add me or something. No. I don't even think I did. Right? No, I didn't. She just added me, or I think I might have just added. One of us took the plunge and just like, add, okay. Left it there. I think it was a whole another week before we actually talked. And I remember waiting for the other guy to get online because like that was my squad. Like he was like probably the first or second person I talked to while playing Apex that I was like vibing with and shit. And so I was waiting for him to get on, and every fucking day that I was on that he wasn't on, she was. And I was like, I should just talk to her. Let me just, you know, I'll just, no, I'll let like another week go by. Finally, I was just bored as shit, honestly. I was like, man, fuck it. Fuck this. And I was feeling very manic. I joined her party and she was in there with like another dude. And I was like, oh, I interrupted something, sorry, bye-bye. She's like, no, you can stay. And I was like, oh, okay, cool. Like not even an hour in, like I think 20 minutes after that, we were clicking, like we were vibing. She kept giggling at all my stupid jokes, and I have a lot of stupid jokes, stupid voices. And yeah, like after that, we started playing more. We started playing later into the night. We started getting really close and personal, like pretty fucking fast. I think like a month later, she was like, dude, I love you. Like, you're amazing. Like, I fucking love you. And I was like, I love you too, but I don't want to say it. And like literally a day after that, I was like, I love you too. She's amazing. Why is my eyelash sticking up like this, bro? Fuck, that was like almost 2 years ago. Ooh. I fucking love you, fool. She was there for me at a really dark moment in my life. I will forever be grateful for her, and even if I never meet her, she got that spot in my heart, you know what I mean? But I am gonna meet her. We are gonna meet. Anyway, so yeah, kind of. We would just like get drunk together, like smoke together. We were just like vibing. We were having a good time. We started FaceTiming. We followed each other's socials. So like, we're just very fucking close, and I love this girl like I love my family. She is a part of my family. They all know about her. She fucks with my brother heavy. Like we're on some squad shit, okay? That's squad shit. And sorry, I just had to gush for a second. I love you, fool. I love the shit out of you. I'm grateful for you and I appreciate you. Anyway, back to fucking business. So what I'm gonna need you to do, baby. I don't remember if you told me if you bought brushes or not. And if you didn't, shame on you. Why not? What are we doing here really? So you're gonna try to find a flattish brush. Yeah, I can't tell if you can see these or not. So these kinds of like flat, wide, well, these are like my favorite to use for my eyebrows. A lot of people like to use angled ones, and if you bought that like little eyebrow powder that I told you to buy, then it probably came with a little angled one like this. Honestly, you could do makeup with any brush, even if it's the wrong brush, and if it comes out great, you finesse the system, bro. So we're gonna get our brush. Okay, I said that like 20 times now. We're gonna dip into our brow color. Come in. Hi, girl.
Fuck, man.
Amy's here as my camera woman now. Okay, so I hope, I fucking pray that it got all that low battery shit popped up. Okay, we're gonna dip into our brow powder. Let me back up a little bit. In that brow powder kit that I told you to get, it probably has a darker shade and a way lighter brown shade. I like to use the darkest shade on the ends of my brow. You have amazing brows, amazing fucking brows. Like a little bit's gonna go a long fucking way. So I'm actually gonna show you how you should do your brows on your face, because you already have phenomenal brows, dude. So the ends right here, I don't know if you could see the ends of my brows, they're very sparse. So they have little gaps in the middle. They're light as fuck. You're gonna get your powder and you're just gonna tap into that space. Just follow your natural brow. It's okay if it gets messy. I like the powder, because it's very easy to fix. So you're gonna keep going and just fill it in. Just fill that bitch in. Again, I'm doing this for your brows, full. Hey, I know what your brows look like. I see them all the time. So you're just gonna fill in the ends, dude. It helps if your brows are done full. So like, you know, get them done first and just fill in the tail.
Shave them off.
Fool. That's not what we're doing here. Okay, it's also important to like note, there's usually harsh lines. In any type of makeup, you have to blend it out, dude. This would be perfect for you. Again, because your brows, you have a really nice, thick, like straight. I love your fucking eyebrows, dude. If you just fill in the ends, Amy has the same type of fucking eyebrows where she just has to fill in the ends and her eyebrows are fucking popping. I hate you guys, but I love you. Say, man, I could do literally, bear with me, Amy, I see your judgment. Bummer, what?
Fucking
cute.
Hell yeah, red carpet material, fool.
We got the looks, okay? You can hear a lot of people, I was gonna say a lot of people will use concealer to clean up their brows. Oh, spoolie at least the front ends if you're gonna get all messy like this. I'm just trying to prove a point. When you do your eyebrows, you want to have like a nice gradient. You want it to kind of look sparse here and then like, ooh, for me, that's what I like. So how easy, watch a fool. I'm about to finesse the entire system. You're gonna follow your natural brows, carve them bitches out. Amazing. How does she do it? I just wipe it off. Literally follow your brow. Bro, I know. It's so easy, isn't it? Clean that bitch up. See, the only thing I don't like about brows, everybody says they're sisters, not twins. I need them to be twins. I just fucking have this thing about my makeup being precise. When it doesn't look precise, I can't.
Also, some sisters are ugly. Why would you want
to? Why you want to look like she look like her daddy? And there you have your brows. I mean, I mean, Amy had to take a brief intermission. But anyway, look at these fierce ass eyebrows. Do you see what we started with and where we ended? And what I did in between? Just do that, fool. Do you like them, fool? Was that simple enough? Was that easy? Was that good? Was that beautiful or what? Holy shit, she's here. What's up, girl? It's crazy what, like, the most minimal shit does to you. So yeah, you're gonna start at the end. You're gonna fill in the end. And then once that's all full, like maybe from like here to like your tail, you're gonna like want to blend. As you're blending this out, there's gonna be product on your brush that you can just go forward and then blend upward. Always blend these little hairs right here upward and then like blend them into the longer ones. As you go, the product should pick up, should stay on your spoolie, and then as you fill in the rest with the leftover product, it's not gonna look as harsh, it's gonna look more natural. If that's what you're into, which it is, like you have a natural beauty, dude. Like you don't need much at all. You do not need much. And not just you, anybody out there who doesn't, who's scared to like venture out on like all the heavy makeup and shit. There's like simple little, you know, brows, lash, lip, bit of foundation under if you have bags, like, you know, you can finesse. A little goes a long way if you know what works for your face. You know what I'm saying? Your cleaning tool. I use baby wipes, or I use baby wipes and then I like tip it like this. Like I'll put it in a little tip and then I'll just, or I'll use a wet Q-tip and I'll just like as I go. So now we have some eyebrows on. They are looking significantly better than what they would have looked like back in the day. If you would have asked me in this era. I'll never forgive you guys for that. So, yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. Probably a short video. I had to do something. I haven't been on here for what, like 7 months? But yeah, that's about it, my love. Next video that I do for you, we'll work on eyelash applications, because I know you were hella feeling yourself with your extensions. That's exactly why I had to show you how to do your brows, because one thing I can't stand, ooh, that like thick ass eyelash look and then like no brows. And you have phenomenal brows. It's just the opacity, you know what I mean? Like it's like this thick and black and shit, and this all that makes me cringe. Why do you let people walk out of your, ooh, setting us up for failure? Help each other, girl. Help each other. If a friend walks out like that, I'm gonna help you with your eyebrows. I'm gonna teach you how to do your eyebrows. So, you know, thank you for coming to my TED Talk. I'm just gonna throw in a quick little lash so it won't look too crazy, you know what I'm saying? Who is she? Who the fuck is that? That's a bad witch. But yeah, fool, that's the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Text me, call me. I love you. Thanks to everybody else who joined and watched. If you try this and it works out for you, let me know in the comments down below or whatever. But yeah, I gotta go now. I have to clean a kitchen and do chores. Yes, I did my eyebrows and I put lashes on to go do chores. Bye!